Today I will be opening up the Peter Pan Funko Pop, or I guess I should say Funko Soda Loungefly from Disney. Let's see what I get. Woo! Okay. First off, we're gonna open up TikTok. All right, let's see what I get in TikTok. Oh, they don't always make these easy to open, eh? Come on, baby. Okay. That one was a little tough. Shall we? Just normal TikTok. But let's give him a look, see how he looks. Oh, he's pretty cool. Look at that. Alright, so that's one soda down. I know one of these will be a special one. So let's try Smee next. Alright, let's see if we get lucky with Smee. Ooh. I can't tell if he is the one, but they always tell you inside the can. There's one of these. And nope, that's just a normal Smee. That's okay. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, we got a 25% chance that the next one will be a special one. So let's see if it's Peter Pan. Alright, let's see if it's Peter. Let's just check the coin first. It's just a normal Peter. So let's see what he looks like. And there he is. Looking pretty happy. Gotta say I like him. He's pretty cool. No luck with Peter. We got a 33% chance that the next one of these is gonna be one. And that's Tinkerbell, Captain Hook, and Wendy. Let's go with Wendy. I'm really kind of hoping it's gonna be the Captain Hook. Alright, let's see if it's Wendy. I think we're going to look at the coin again first so we know if it is going to be the special. It is not. It is a normal Wendy. Well, let's give her a look, shall we? Ooh, knocking the stuff over. Ooh, Wendy. Got shoes there too. It's pretty nice. I'm glad she's not special. Alright, drum roll. Because the next one is either going to be the special or not, so we should know. But let's try Tinkerbell, one of my mom's favorites. Let's see if it's Tink. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Ooh, I think it might be Tinkerbell. I'm not sure. Yep, there it is. The chance. The red glow Tinkerbell. I might have to make a video later so I can show you the glow. But let's see what she looks like. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Whoa, that one is cool. I'm not gonna lie. That's pretty legit. I like the thimble on her head, the red wings, the pink dress, the yellow shoes. She stands up pretty cool. I like that. Well, even though Captain Hook isn't the chase, let's see what we get with him. Let's just give him a look, shall we? So let's see what's inside of him. Dun, 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 dun. Ooh, he looks pretty cool. Even though he's normal. Non-chase. But still a very nice piece. And let's see the coin. Captain Hook. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if there's a certain soda carry you'd want or that you got. I'd love to see anything that people want to share.